Welcome, 7th graders. Happy Friday. Obviously, I'm not here today, so I just want to go over what you're going to be working on with your guest teacher, and it's going to be starting a new project, the Gluing It All Together project. And so you're going to be, hopefully you already have the packet. If you don't have the paper packet yet, you should pause the video and then get that passed out. But you should have the packet, and you're actually going to be using the packet for your design notebook instead of doing it electronically. And now I'm going to pull it up here. And the reason being, with the Wi-Fi issues that RMS has had, we wanted to make sure we have something we can rely on. So the paper copy is exactly what you are going to be doing on your design notebook. And we're going to read through the first part together. And ultimately, you need to answer these 5 questions today. So we'll read through part of it. And then after I'm done with this video, you have these 2 videos that you're going to watch. The first one is about 5 minutes long. The second one is 1.5 minutes long. Between the 2 videos and the reading, you should be able to answer these 5 questions on paper. We will collect the paper every day in class, so right now, make sure your first and last name is at the top on your packet. And keeping these questions in mind, I'll start reading then. So, what's considered to be among the earliest adhesives? What causes glue to stick? What are 2 requirements for glue to work? In other words, in order to form a bond between any 2 materials. Explain the difference between adhesion and cohesion. And it is thought that bonding of adhesives occurs at the molecular level. What's the technical name of the force which holds glue to its bonding materials? So to answer these 5 questions, I'm going to first read through this here. It's at the top of your packet. The first commercial glue, created around 1750, was made from fish. Other early adhesives used natural rubber, animal bones, blood, starch, and milk protein or casein. Today, animal glues have been mostly replaced with cheaper synthetic glues made from man-made chemicals synthesized from petroleum and natural gas. When milk and vinegar are mixed together, the vinegar makes the protein in the milk, called casein, stick together to form small white lumps called curds. The leftover liquid is called whey. You will make the glue from the curds. When you add glue between 2 pieces of paper, the glue seeps into tiny cracks in the papers. When the glue hardens, it forms a bond to hold the paper together. In real life, engineers design special glues when they need to hold things like envelopes, sneakers, and even airplanes together. So having read that, hopefully you're able to get a couple of these answers. Take a moment to write them in, and obviously you can look back at the paragraphs to find those answers again. And then when I'm done with this video, your teacher will play the next slide, which will have the next videos on.